Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix League of Legends Vanguard error 1067. So the first thing you want to try is go to search, type in services. Once you open this, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC, double click on it. And if it says startup type manual, switch it to automatic, click apply. And then click start and then close it. Go to task manager, open task manager, go to startup. In here find Vanguard and make sure it's enabled. And once you've checked this, restart your PC and then try relaunching the game. See if that helps. So the next thing you can do, if that doesn't work, you can go to search again, type in run, and type in this percentage, local app data percentage. Click OK. It will open a window. Here find the Riot Games folder. You can simply press R, and you want to delete this folder. If it says you cannot do it, you probably have Riot Client running in the background. Go to processes, Riot, and then close it. Once you've done that, try deleting again and it's gone. The next thing you want to do is go to the search and then type in apps. It will open settings, go to apps, installed apps, and in here find Vanguard. And you want to delete it and then restart your PC, and it will do the update, but the update will be the Riot Vanguard. It will reinstall it again, and that hopefully should fix your issue. And that's it for this video. I really hope it helped you guys. Comment down below, like, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.